Hey, I just want to say how fired up I am that you've taken the next step. The fact that you're here tells me you're serious. You see what we're building. You didn't just watch the first video and click away, you leaned in. Let me be clear about something. You're not just licensing a brand, you're stepping into ownership. When you join the Founders Club, the Foundational 50, you share in a 5% equity pool. That's not symbolic, that's real ownership. I built this platform to grow into a national movement. And my long-term vision is to scale it to a massive valuation and one day, maybe even exit. If and when that happens, that 5% pool could be worth something enormous for the early believers who helped launch this. But even before that future moment, the value begins on day one. Because from day one, you'll be part of the most elite community of real estate professionals in the country. Weekly town halls, live masterminds, collaborative workshops, full access to every piece of intellectual property, every script, every funnel, every piece of content we're creating. You are in the right place, whether you're doing 2 million a year and want to hit 5 million, if you're doing 5 million and want to hit 10 million, if you're doing 10 million and want to hit 20 million, if you're doing 20 million and want to hit 40 million or 40 million and want to hit 100 million, I think you see where I'm going here. You are in the right place. This is where growth compounds. You'll sharpen with the best in the business, professionals who dominate their local markets just like you dominate yours. When you refer business inside this network, you're referring to another leader who commands top dollar in their market, the same way you do in yours. That means your referral income isn't spare change, it's meaningful money backed by brand power and performance. You can literally make more money sending the right deal to the right pro than by chasing 10 bad ones yourself. No more running all over the place trying to keep up with everything. No more burnout. This is about building a hyper-local real estate practice that scales nationally through connection, not chaos. And beyond the business, I want you to understand what this Founders Club really means to me. These first 50, you are my inner circle. You're my George Clooney with Casamigos, my original PayPal mafia. You're the family that helps me build this into something that lives far beyond me. The fact that you're jumping in during pre-launch or beta year 2026 means everything. You saw the vision early. And because of that, I will pour everything I have into making this brand stronger, louder, and more valuable for all of us. My mission is simple. Grow the United Zip Codes of America into $1 billion company so that your 5% pool becomes a serious asset, not a perk. That's why I'm all in on this, and I want you all in with me. So scroll down, choose your path, monthly, yearly, or pay as you close, and lock in your territory. You're not just joining a program, you're helping to write history. Welcome to Mr. Zip Code, welcome to the Founders Club, welcome to the United Zip Codes of America, and welcome to the movement we're building together.